Hi, this is Miss Lilly with my class awards for the year. So I decided on giving out two awards. One was the highest achievement award, which is like it sounds, that is the highest grade for the semester in my classes. And then I gave a second award, which is the classmanship award. And in my mind, this is like a sportsmanship award for sports, but it's in class. These students showed exceptional effort. They were high achieving, but they had great spirits and they learned for the sake of learning. They really showed good work ethic and just seemed to really enjoy learning. So my awards go to Math 1 Part 1. My highest achievement award goes to Annalise Davenport. My classmanship award goes to Emma Smith. In Math 1 Part 2, my highest achievement award goes to Jacob Brown. In Math 2 Part 1, my highest achievement award goes to Alana Brown. And my classmanship award goes to Tristan Rizote. In Math 3 Part 1, my highest achievement award goes to Grayson Latanza. And the classmanship award goes to Caden Bissonette. These were very competitive awards this year. I was really impressed with how hard all of my students worked this year. And I want to say congratulations to everyone and way to go. I had 24 students that finished the semester with an A in just my math classes, and that's 31% of my students are going to end up with an A for this semester. So it's been a true pleasure working with you guys this semester. I know math is not everyone's favorite subject, but some of you guys really excelled in my classes this year. I want to say congratulations again to all the winners. I hope everyone has a happy holidays and a happy new year, and I look forward to seeing you guys next semester.